Hey guys, I'm Payal Kothari, the gut health nutritionist and the author of the book, The Gut. Eliminating gluten and dairy is not the only thing you need to do for your gut wellness. Crowding in foods for the microbiome is what is essential to heal the gut lining and brain and feel better overall. When you join my Gut Reset workshop, you'll be able to understand your triggers. Your nutrition actually helps the digestive system to function at optimal levels. Once that happens, everything else aligns, like hormonal balance, managing IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, thyroid, diabetes, anxiety, and stubborn weight loss from fat. Along with the nutrition plan, you'll receive my autographed book, The Gut, and one detox wellness mix. So, if you're someone who has tried everything and is still struggling with digestive problems and using only medicine to treat the problem, then join me to get to the root cause of your problems from inside out. Click on the link below and join the Happy Gut Club, where so many have already benefited and they've seen results like their migraines have gone, their skin is glowing, no more waking up tired and exhausted. Click on the link below and join my Gut Reset workshop. I'll see you in there.